Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Teamviewer. Just go to your preferred search engine and search Teamviewer, and then you're going to want to click the top one, teamviewer.com, Teamviewer-the remote connectivity software. Select accept cookies, and at the top select free download. Select download for free, and then pick whatever operating system you're using. I'm using Windows, so I'll pick Windows. Then you're going to want to come to Teamviewer full client, and you're going to want to pick either 64 or 32-bit depending on your system. To check your system type, you're going to want to come to your search bar in the bottom left and search about your PC, and under system type it will tell you which one you're using. I'm using 64-bit, so I'll download 64-bit. Select downloads and select save. Then open your file explorer, come to downloads and double click the exe file you just downloaded. You'll be prompted with this window, Teamviewer setup. Select default installation and select accept and next. You'll be prompted with a license agreement, just select I accept the EULA and the DPA, and then select continue. And that's you basically done. Just sign into Teamviewer and you're ready to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.